All right, guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Wanted to do another update video for you guys. Talk about some of these different platforms that I'm in, what's going on with them. And yeah, we'll jump right into it. Of course, do your own research, do your own due diligence, guys. I'm not giving you any type of financial advice. Everything I talk about on my channel and in this video in particular is super risky, guys. So unless you can tolerate risk, do not get into any of them. And if you do, only put in risk capital. Also follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below in the link tree. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon, all that good stuff. So quick look at the market. You can see here that Bitcoin right now is sitting at 46, a little bit over 46,000. Ethereum just under 3,400. So still trending sideways over the last 24, 48, 72 hours. Binance coin, a little bit over 400 bucks. So yeah, you know, like I always say in all my videos, whether the market is going sideways, up or down, have different things in your platform that will allow you to make passive daily income. That's why you see me in several different platforms, and some of them are, you know, way different models than the next one, right? I actually like that. I don't really like getting into different projects or platforms that are similar. Sometimes I will, depends. But every one of these different platforms that I'm going to talk about in this video are pretty different from each other. So let's jump into it, guys. BNB Business, you can see here the contributors are growing, 11,624 contributors. 8,000 BNB has been contributed already. So yeah, this thing is still blowing up. You know, obviously this is a way different model than you're probably used to seeing in the passive income space or on this channel. But yeah, people that are, you know, building BNB Business are making a killing, guys. There's a lot of traditional network marketers that are jumping in on this. And, you know, most of the big builders in this thing are actually offline. They're building it, you know, not even on YouTube. They're building it the traditional network marketing MLM method of, you know, doing Zooms and meetings and that sort of thing. And again, as more people join this thing, as the contributors continue to grow, it's going to benefit people that are in the platform. Obviously, if you're building, it's going to benefit you more, but people that are in a single line family and people are active, they're going to benefit. Now, even if you're in a single line family that isn't super active, again, this is brand new, guys. Okay, as people withdraw, as people, you know, start to upgrade, you know, you will start to earn some of those passive dividends. But again, I've mentioned it several times before. If you're going to refer people, you will earn way faster in this particular platform. Okay. Now, if you don't want to refer anybody, you could still get involved with this, but I'll show you some other things here like BNB Miner or Drip that you can get into where you don't have to refer a single soul. But yeah, just to give you an idea, this thing is still blowing up. You look here. Yeah, I've been emptying out my drawable amount pretty often. And I have another 6.38382 BNB that I can withdraw real quick. All right, so while that's doing that, the BNB blockchain has been a little bit slow this morning. I was doing a couple of transactions earlier. Hopefully it speeds up, gets back to normal. But here's just a quick look at my single family. It's pretty much, I don't know, it's probably similar to yours. I don't know. Now, I am maxed out at the 10 BNB package, so I'm getting paid on all these levels. Of course, if you're in on a smaller package, that's okay. You can scale up gradually. But to max it out, you have to put 10 BNB. So you see here, there's a couple of people in my upline that are above me in this single line family. This person here has 1 BNB, one. This person has 17 BNB. There's 1.6. Here's me right here, 28.359. That's what I've put into the platform and back into the platform. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff here. Anyway, that's what's going on with BNB Business. We'll talk about that more in the future, but if you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. BNB Miner, as you can see here, this thing here is still doing its thing. Contract balance is now 1,112 BNB. It was at about 800 and change when I first did a video on it. And prior to that, when I was looking at it about a day and a half before I did the video, it was at 700 and change. This has been gradually increasing now, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, very happy with the fact that this contract balance continues to grow. So if you're going to get in, I mean, some of you guys are waiting until this plateaus or starts going the other way, and that's when you're going to get in. And then you're going to get mad that, you know, you're at the tail end of it. Get in. You should have got in when I first started talking about it. Okay, not that I'm giving you advice or anything like that. Do what you want to do, but you know, why wait till it starts to plateau or go the other way before you get in? You should be getting in on its way up, right? So this one here is 3% a day. Again, if you're totally passive and you don't refer a single soul at 3% a day, you need it to run for what's a month, 30 days in a month. So 30 times 3 is 90. Yeah, so like a day and 3 days, right? After not a day and 3 days, a month and 3 days. After a month and 3 days, you should have hit 100%, and then everything above and beyond that is, you know, profit. 3% a day, you're going to get profit indefinitely until this thing is around. Now, how long will it be around? I don't know. I can't, I don't have a crystal ball or anything like that. I don't know. All I can do is get in early or get in as soon as I can, hope that we break even, and then get into some form of profit. So far, so good. Contract balance is going up. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. Drip, you can see here the price of drip kind of sitting at around $13.31 right now. So it's been above $13 for the last, I don't know, what is that, 2 days, 3 days now, 4 days, something like that. So this might be the new floor. We'll see. In any case, we'll continue to keep a loose eye on this. Again, I'm just waiting for Forex Shark to make his announcement before I start really, pounding out the videos again for drip. But while I'm waiting, this thing is doing its thing. It's just, the price might be kind of leveling off, but it's still paying out the 1% a day. It's still doing, what it's supposed to be doing, which is awesome, right? So again, you put a deposit in right now, you're getting a 1% a day on your deposit until you hit 365%. Again, yesterday in my video, I said it might be a good entry point. You come in right now, you start earning 1% a day, and this thing starts to creep up again. Yeah, it's going to be happy days. But yeah, this thing is doing its thing. I have no issues whatsoever with drip. Very satisfied with it. And again, we're going to continue to keep a loose eye on the price. But again, I don't really stress out whether the price is leveling off or even if it dips even more than what it is right now. I don't really stress it too much because again, as long as it's paying out 1% a day, as long as it's paying out 1% a day, what else can you ask for, right? So drip doing its thing. Rex, yeah, Rex is doing its thing. Let me see here. This thing has been blowing up. This Rex, this T-Rex, the price of T-Rex. Let me see, what is the price right now? If I head on over to Pancake Swap, one T-Rex is a little bit over $4,000 right now. Pretty crazy, considering that it was one BNB. When I first saw it and when I bought my T-Rex, it was one BNB. I actually bought a couple in another wallet, but one BNB bought me one T-Rex, which was about 400, 450 bucks, something like that at the time, maybe closer to 500. But look at it, it's $4,000 right now. That's 8x just in the last couple of days, in the last week or so. So yeah, very, very awesome stuff. Again, if you're holding T-Rex in your wallet, you are going to get extra rewards. Again, I covered that already in another video. But yeah, Rex is doing its thing. You can see here in the auction. I'm going to get in on the auction again. I've been putting in 2 BNB a day, as you can see here. If I scroll down, 2 BNB a day. I started off with one a day, and then the last 5 days I put in two, 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 two. Today I'm going to put in two, and then this is how much Rex I've been getting for my 2 BNB. Again, as you can see, it kind of tapers off, and you get less and less every day because more people are jumping into the auction. That's how this works. As more people jump into the auction, as more BNB is put into the auction, you're going to get less Rex for the same BNB that you're putting in. So again, sooner rather than later is your best play if you're going to get into this. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got to say about that. I think MREX is also doing well too. MREX is up as well. Let me see if I go to Rex is doing good too, but MREX, yeah, one MREX is $111 right now. So I forgot what the price was when I got it. I think I know I bought 20 in the in each wallet, but 20, I think it was one BNB for 20. I could be mistaken, but I know it was definitely not 111 for one, because I bought 20 in one shot. I think I spent like one BNB, I think. Yeah, so the price is increasing as well. So again, hold MREX in your wallet for additional rewards. But yeah, this thing is doing well. We'll continue to follow it. We'll continue to go into the auction every day and keep you guys updated. iHub Global, this thing here is, it's taken off. Obviously, there's a back order on the machines, on the devices, but the network is being built. There's 500,000 people. Like my sponsor hit me up yesterday and said, "Hey man, we just crossed over 500,000, affiliates." And this thing hasn't even really gotten started yet, because once everybody gets their device and people are getting it little by little, that's when the real fun starts. You know what I mean? So again, if you want to get in on this, create an account, get your device ordered. It's back ordered right now, but I'm gonna show you here mine. This is a Helium. You'll be mining Helium tokens, HNT. It's at $20 right now. This was at $1 at the beginning of the year. This can very well be $100 token. So for mining it at these low prices, and when I say low, I'm using that relatively because it was at $1, right? So this is still 20x from the beginning of the year. But this can easily be, a $100 token. Now, if you are in my Telegram, then you saw my post yesterday. We got our device in the mail. So we're going to be hooking that up. And again, I'll keep you guys posted on how much Helium we're actually mining. That way you get an idea. But again, it's free money, right? Like I get a kick out of people. They're all like, how much Helium am I going to mine? Is it going to be profitable? First of all, you're not paying anything for the device. You're not paying anything to join. So even if this price of Helium tanks and you're getting just a little a month, it's still profit. It's still profit, right? It's profit because you're not putting anything out. So my point to you is, this is a no risk opportunity. You're not paying anything to join. You're not putting funds in so that you can start creating passive income. Like some of these other platforms, you got to put funds in, then you start creating passive income. This is you get a free device and you're off to the races. You start mining this token. Now, yes, you can buy this device. You can buy the mining device for $500 and change if you don't want to wait. But if you get it through iHub Global, you will get it for free. Okay. So while you're waiting, like some of you guys have reserved your device and you're waiting and you're kind of twiddling your thumbs, wondering when it's going to come. Trust me, I get it, right? Obviously, you want to start mining this while the price is low. I totally understand. But let's be productive, right? Let's be productive. If you're waiting for it, it's going to come, right? But while you're waiting for it, start building a team. That you might say, Jamie, I don't really want to build, I'm not good at building a team because, I've never done it before, right? Or I can't get anybody to join other things. Guys, like I said, it's a free opportunity. It's free to join and it's free to start mining this. Like who doesn't want free money? Like if you can't share this with somebody and they don't have to come out of pocket for anything and they can start making passive income, like it's a no-brainer. right? I can understand if you're having trouble getting people to join things where it costs 400, 500, 600 bucks, right? Like traditional network marketing companies that sell juices and vitamins and, weight loss shakes and all that other stuff, not knocking those companies, but you got to usually pay 500, 600, 700, $1,000 to join those things. And, I could understand if you're having trouble with that, but this is free, right? And again, they don't have to put anything in to start creating passive income. So you're essentially telling people, hey, would you want free money? Like, how do they say no to that? And if they do say no to that, next, right? Like next, obviously they're not the right person for you to be talking to. Because if you're offering them free money and they don't want it in the times that we're in, next. Because I guarantee you, there's other people that would love free money, right? So anyway, that's my 2 cents with that. Start taking your affiliate link, sharing it with people. It's not, it's a risk-free opportunity. Start building out your network. People are joining, obviously, right? 500,000 affiliates. Somebody's joining, right? Somebody's joining. Why not these people be on your team, right? So anyway, we'll talk about this more as we move forward. Let's take a quick look at Hex. Hex hit 48 cents yesterday, or within the last 24 hours, sitting right now at 47 cents and change, 5%, 5.25% up. I think this is the all-time high, if I'm not mistaken. All-time high an hour ago was 48.4832 cents. So yeah, every day it seems like there's a new all-time high. This will cross over 50 cents, in short time, and it's going to be on its way to $1. It has an incredible community. Obviously, Richard Hart won't let this thing fail. At least that's my opinion. And so yeah, we're very, very excited about this. We'll continue to follow it. And yeah, keep you guys in the loop and updated. Quick look at Panda token or Panda Inu, sitting at little bit under 5.5 cents right now on PooCoin. So it looks like we are ending round 2 anytime now. It's at 99%. Once this ends, it's automatically going to go into round 3. As I've mentioned before, 50 billion tokens in round 2. There's only going to be 25 billion tokens in round 3, but the price will double. So if you want to get in now before the price doubles, it's probably the last call. Yeah, that's what's going on with Panda Inu. So we'll keep you updated with what's going on that end. And then last but not least, guys, Elevate Pass. You can see here, this is the matrix for Elevate Pass, building out the matrix. Just an update on them. They did maintenance on the site earlier today. So some of you guys maybe weren't able to log into your back office. Make sure you're plugged into the Telegram, because that's where they announced it. They announced that there was going to be a 2 or 3 hour maintenance downtime, because they're obviously getting ready for their official launch on the 13th, which is Monday. And then again, we're off to the races with Elevate Pass. So this one here has been, paying out consistently. It's a little bit, quote unquote, conservative compared to some of these other programs, but yeah, I'm happy with it. And if you want to use the ad credits to promote other platforms to other like-minded individuals, take your ad packs, create an ad, and get your offer out in front of other people. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on some of these different platforms. Yeah, things are going well. If you have any questions or anything like that, hit me up over on Telegram. Post it underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer it. But yeah, do your own research, guys. Only put in what you can afford to lose. And yeah, make sure you are following me on Telegram and you're subscribed to this channel. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.